Hello friends and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In this video we will see how to do various mathematical set operations in Python. So if you are interested in studying about set data type in Python, I have provided the link in the description section. You can go through that one. So this video we will see various set operations in Python such as intersection, union, difference and symmetric difference. We'll start with an example. Okay. First of all, I'll create two sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set B which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have created two sets, so we can print A, print B. So it is two sets of length 6 elements. You can create any number of elements. First we will do the intersection operator. Intersection means the elements which are present in both A and B. For that, one method is use intersection A intersection B. So here 4, 5, 6 is the common elements, so that should print 4, 5, 6 A dot intersection of B. Same can be done using A and B, using AND operator. 4, 5, 6, you will get the same result. So this is how you can do the intersection. You can do, if you put B intersection, that's B and A. Next is union, A dot union. So union means it will print all the elements in A and B, and it will avoid the duplication. That means the repetition, the elements which are present in both A and B will be printed only once. Okay, A union B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6 is present in both A and B, but it will print only once. The same can be done using A OR operator. You will get the same result. Now we will see the difference operator. A dot difference of B. So A difference B means the elements which are present in A but not in B. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is in A but not in B. So it will print 1, 2, 3. Same can be done using A minus B. If it is A difference B, B difference A, elements present in B but not in A. That is 7, 8, 9, because 4, 5, 6 is already present in A. Okay, it is going to be 7, 8, 9. So done using, you can use this one. Next one is symmetrical difference. That is a complement of AND operation. Okay, so that means A dot symmetric difference of B. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. That means it will print all the elements in A and elements in B except the common elements. So here 4, 5, 6 is common element. So it is not printed. Only 1, 2, 3 and 7, 8, 9. So the common elements will be avoided. So that is why it is called a complement of this one, union. Sorry, complement of intersection. Okay, so 4, 5, 6 is printed here, all others are avoided. In the symmetric difference, 4, 5, 6 will be avoided and all other elements will be printed. The same can be done using A. Okay, 7, 8, 9. So this is how you can do the mathematical set operation in Python. If you have any comments or suggestions, please write in the comment section. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Bye. Thank you.